Yeah. So we're going to get something to eat. Oh, the birds in here. Look, ooh,
Yeah, look.
pretty.
This looks like a pretty chicken. I know, right? Why would you talk to these animals like that? These are pretty. Kevin, is it gonna capture the colors good like that? It doesn't look like it.
I see parrots.
There you guys, look.
I brought that one.
I put it for you.
Wow, what is that, Maddie? Hey.
Oh, he can't fly. That's so sad.
Oh, what's up, little buddy? So you guys, what do you guys want to name him? Huh?
Matt.
Matt? Hey, what's up?
Oh, look at Luna and
Hey.
Mason.
Hey.
Kevin, look at the little fox behind you. So
Oh, cute. Hey. What's up, buddy?
Here, bite your finger.
What's up?
He reminds me of the bird that bit Callie.
What's up? Hey. What's your name? What's your name? Oh. Mm. 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 You got itch. Mm. Mm.
He's not even dancing, Kevin. Is he? Oh my God,
Mm.
he is dancing. Hello.
Hello. How you doing? Hello.
Way.
How you doing?
Microphone in there.
Hi. Hi. Hello. Hello.
That's
Hello.
so cute.
Hi.
Is that, oh.
Oh, I was looking for that, son. I was hoping I didn't see it. Thanks a lot, man. Hi. You showing us your wings? Nice. That's pretty. I like it. Hey, little fox. Dude, you're so cute. Oh my God. Molly, I want to take him home. Hi, what's wrong? Probably tired and hungry. See you later. Wow. Hi. Hi. Hi, what's up? Hi. What's your little wet nose? What's up? Hi. Your little wet nose? What's your little wet nose? Wait.
Little arm hanging there red. They're like a burgundy-ish red.
Oh, I see him. He's chilling. Right. Oh, that's cool. You like it?
He's gone.
You like it? Part of his nose is so red. I mean, wet. Oh, I didn't. I wanted to.
Look, that's Phone Gobble. That's a beautiful. Katie used to watch that when he was little, Mateo.
You? You?
He might be sleeping.
Yeah.
Oh, look, there's some more right here. It's a ringtail tail leader.
Hey, what's up? What's up? What's up?
Look at me.
Hey, what are you doing? I don't like. I don't want to do that. Yes. How that one sound? Oh, where you going? Cute. Uh-oh, let's do it again. Oh. Why you sitting like that though, my boy?
I want to
Hey.
lick me.
What's up? Cute. Dude, you're so pretty. I'm not gonna lie.
Animals and spreading germs and stuff.
I'm not gonna lie. You're so pretty.
Come with me, Daddy. Okay, I'm gonna
Bye-bye.
You're gonna make us in trouble.
Your new name is Firestorm.
Okay, I'm gonna treat you like a baby. I'm gonna treat you like a baby. Come on, let's go. Open my hand, you little baby. I'm treating you like a baby.
You gonna treat me like a baby?
Yeah, I'm treating
What's
you
down
like
here?
a baby since you're not listening.
I think they have an alligator show.
Oh my god.
Hi.
He's dirty. He's dirty. He's dirty.
Good.
Over there.
I see you guys. So you guys, we just saw the albino crocodile.
I know.
Look at your body, she showed me. That was funny. I'm gonna put that in there and go be like, bruh.
You get the thing and then you rinse some and shift it and see what kind of rock and stuff you find.
I
You
know.
want some?
You want some? These are some interesting looking rocks though too. Look,
Wait. What is this?
that's a type of rock.
Look how you glass.
That was other glass. What's this?
I know. Maddie, come on.
I'm gonna put them in. Capybara!
Hey.
Looks like a rodent in the pit. These are big ones. I don't know if they're like adults or something.
What's up, my boy? You finished?
Why not? What's gonna happen? I mean, why? What's gonna happen? 1, 2, 3, 4.
Oh my god, look at that ant.
It's not an ant, that's something, but it's very pretty.
Oh,
I think it might be a
he's
flying bug.
stretching. Oh, they're coming towards. Yo, Pumbaa. Pumbaa. Trying to get Pumbaa's attention, but Pumbaa's well, like he don't want to come. I ain't gonna hold you. Oh, there you go. Well, you heard me? You heard me say that? Now you wanna? He's like, man, we lay down, bro. I ain't gonna hold you. We lay down. Kangaroo.
Is any joeys in there? It's okay, it's dead. Look, come over. Utopia.
Look at the sloth,
Works in the
y'all.
mail post office.
Yeah.
Look, he's moving.
Yo, what up, my boy? What's it about? Yo, what's up? We over here.
They're immune to that sound.
Oh my god, I want one, dude. Oh my Dillo. Where you going, Dill? Where you going, my boy?
That's a small one. The one I saw was bigger. Look. No, I'm not gonna move. If I was a kid and I saw this stuff, you know how excited I would have been?
Right, y'all don't see these at all. Oh my god, I want to take one home. That was it for the safari, you guys. We're wrapping up the nice life. We're wrapping out for today's adventure. This adventure, on to the next one. All right. See you guys later. Tap in, sign into the Nice Life. Like and subscribe. Like and subscribe to the Nice Life. Tell them y'all. They over it. They over it. Meow.